The government came out with a plan to have 250 veterans employed over a 4-year period. We were very successful in the first part of that plan, and then in March of 2019, the government tripled that to 750 over the same period. So far we've employed just on 500 and the program is going incredibly well.
The veterans branch here in the Victorian public sector are incredibly supportive. First of all, they have really good relationships with all the HR departments within the various departments, and they educate them on some of the skill sets that come across from the ADF and how they can be translated into skill sets within those various departments.
Well, I think the evidence is already there in that people that are being employed in the public sector have started to climb the success ladder. They are incredibly adaptable, and if you take a chance with them, I'm absolutely certain you will be very, very well rewarded.
I think the programs that are run here within the Victorian public sector are very useful for veterans because they enable them with all the information they need to be successful, but they don't hold their hand and necessarily steer them into areas they don't want to go. This organisation is about giving them a choice and enabling them to make their own choices and forge their own paths.